We have a domestic stack train, main track number 2, westbound. We're at milepost 65, Blue Cut, Swarthout Canyon, Cajon Pass, USA. Notice up there on that cantilever, the signal furthest to the left is flashing yellow. This main track number 3. So if we get lucky, there might be another train coming. Well, there is another train coming. We'll just see if it gets here before the end of this one. Hoping to catch the Amtrak Southwest Chief. It's always a little bit late. So we will see what we get when we get it. JB Hunt train. Signals went up, the gates went up down there, so nothing coming yet. It's sunrise here. It's a beautiful Sunday, November 5th. I have my cataract surgery, my next one on November 9th, this Thursday, and I'll be done with all that pretty soon and have 20/20 vision in both eyes. So I've done pretty good as a blind man, so wait till I get both eyes, guys and gals. I appreciate your patience with us. See that flashing yellow up there? We got something else coming. For sure. Alright, it's about my 5th train today and they're all westbound, so if we got an eastbounder, it'll probably be that far track to the right, main track number 1. They usually run them east of that track. Alright, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Share with your family and friends. It's the sweetest thing you can do. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. We will catch you on the next one. There she goes. All right, talk to you soon. Love you guys.